Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going over one of the most iconic North American ski destinations you will ever visit, Mt Bachelor Ski Resort. Located in the heart of Central Oregon, just outside Bend, this massive dormant volcano, yes, I said volcano, is one of the largest ski resorts in the US, with stunning 360-degree views from the summit, deep powder days, and a laid-back atmosphere. But is it worth the trip? Hell yes. But let me try and convince you of that too. Mt Bachelor is a part of the IKON PASS family, offering 5 days of access on the base pass and 7 days of access on the full IKON PASS. Mt Bachelor boasts an impressive 4,323 acres of skiable terrain, making it the 7th largest ski resort in North America. With 124 trails to explore, 12 lifts, and a summit elevation of 9,068 feet, this place is a paradise for skiers and snowboarders. Bachelor has a variety of terrain. 25% of the runs are beginner, 46% are intermediate, 26% advanced, and only 8% expert. The mountain has a unique 360-degree skiing experience, meaning you can drop in from nearly every side of the volcanic peak. The summit lift is rarely open, however, due to wind conditions, so if you have the chance, no matter the time of day, take the lift up, you won't regret it. One of the greatest things about this summit ride is that the terrain is not terribly steep, so it can be enjoyed by varying skill levels. I would caution more beginner riders to avoid this, as you still have to traverse and know how to navigate unmarked natural terrain. Beginners will find plenty of friendly greens near sunrise and some mellow blues off of Cloud Chaser, while experts can enjoy themselves in the outback and in northwest zones. Freestyle riders, you're in luck. Mt Bachelor has a solid terrain park scene, with multiple parks catering to all skill levels. Woodward Bachelor keeps things fresh, with creative features, jumps, and jibs that progress throughout the season. At times, we did find that the layout of the terrain parks a little awkward, which made it difficult to have enough speed to hit some of the features. Aside from the parks, the mountain itself offers endless amounts of natural jibs that will keep your adrenaline pumping all day. One of the biggest draws of Mt Bachelor, the snow. The mountain gets almost 10.5 meters of snow per year. And since it's a dormant volcano, the terrain is mostly treeless up top, giving it an almost Alaska-like feel on powder days. But keep in mind, the weather can be unpredictable. High winds and storm cycles can cause lift closures, especially at the summit. One benefit of the windy nights is that a lot of the terrain is self-groomed, which means that the wind blows the snow to fill in any packed out areas to ensure fresh tracks in the AM. The lift system is pretty solid with high-speed quads covering most of the mountain. However, there's no gondola, and these quads can actually be shut down quite frequently due to wind conditions mentioned earlier. The resort does not have a village base, which means fewer amenities compared to bigger resorts. However, I find this preferable, and according to their website, it's actually something they pride themselves on. To quote the site directly, it has no slopeside lodging, no fancy base villages, no condo developments, or any other sign of the high-priced frills so common at major ski resorts nowadays. We don't have it, we probably never will, and we're actually pretty darn proud of that, because we've got something better. And they do. The vibes are always high, and the mountain does not actually get that crowded even during the weekends. The best part of this mountain is that the mountain itself can hold its own against some of the most major commercialized resorts, but still has that small town feel to it. Bend, Oregon is about 30 minutes away and a really nice place to stay. The town offers a public transit to get you to the slopes for about $7 each way. This is a great option if you're staying in Bend and want to make your way to the slopes without having to worry about driving, especially when there is a snowstorm rolling in at the mountain itself. Mt Bachelor offers lodging partner discount packages on their website to give you some options that are fairly close to the resort, but you may have better luck as far as cost on Airbnb. For those van lifers out there, Mt Bachelor offers paid overnight parking right at the base of the slopes. You can reserve either a non-powered or powered spot where you can plug in your rig for a 50 amp connection. I can honestly say that this made our trip so much more enjoyable. It's less than a 2-minute walk to the lift, and you can enjoy a ski-in, ski-out spot with washrooms close by. Mount Bachelor is an absolute force of nature, with almost 10.5 meters of annual snowfall, relentless winds carving out surreal wind lips, and a raw, untamed landscape that rivals the greatest man-made parks. When the storms roll in, the mountain transforms into a battleground, demanding precision, power, and pure adrenaline to carve through the chaos. But even before the skies clear and the sun returns, one thing is undeniable. Riding Bachelor is an experience like no other. So, have I convinced you yet? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to keep up with all my reviews and mountain adventures, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.